The taste is lovely, the flavors are coming really nice together with that vegetable stock. As an Indian, when I think of soup, it must be thick and spicy, packed with cornstarch, vegetables, chicken and tons of flavors. Well, not everywhere you can find that kind of rich soup. From a couple of years, I am in love with clear soup, especially the Thai style. They are subtle in taste, mild in flavors and rich in aroma. Hi everyone, welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in this video I am going to share with you all a very simple recipe, the tofu and spinach instant soup. So you don't have to cook it, all you need is a bowl, make the recipe and enjoy it. So let's check the recipe. Well, a couple of years back, I added a video where I was trying Thai food in which I mentioned about the chicken clear soup. If you are interested to watch that video, then I will keep the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. So inspired from Thai style clear soup, here I am going to make a tofu and spinach clear soup with a touch of Desi style. So let's make the recipe. To make the soup, first I am going to make a flavorful base. So in a big bowl, I will take 1 finely chopped green chili, and this is going to add the heat to your soup. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger for aroma. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce just to add a little bit of desi touch. Next, half a tablespoon of olive oil. Here I am using the extra virgin olive oil. Just make sure to avoid the refined oil. Then half a teaspoon salt or salt to taste, straight into the bowl. Then pinch of sugar. The sugar is going to balance all the flavors and heat. Mix the spices nicely. And next, a few dice of tofu, around 1/3 cup. Here I am using the extra foam tofu, and that's really great for soup, especially if you're making an instant soup. And now I will mix all the ingredients gently. Now to this I will add 1 cup of boiling vegetable stock and around half a cup of hot water. Give it a mix. To make the instant soup, make sure that the liquids are hot enough. And on the top, I will add 1 cup of baby spinach finely shredded. The hot water will cook the spinach a little, so no need to boil the soup. As I mentioned earlier, instant soup requires no cooking, but while making with meat or chicken, prepare the soup on the stove in order to cook the meat till perfection. So the soup is ready. I'll just cover it and let it to sit for a minute or two. So the soup is actually ready, and finally I am going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for that extra sourness. So the spinach are good source of iron, and the vitamin C from the lemon juice is going to help in the iron absorption in our body. And now it's time to taste, and the aroma is really awesome. Now I will serve it in a bowl and sprinkle some black pepper powder. Just add as much as you want. So let me taste and tell you how this turned out. The taste is lovely, the flavors are coming really nice together with that vegetable stock, with the tinge of sugar that is balancing all the flavors, including the hitness, chilies that I added to the soup. And also I love the combination of ginger and spinach that is giving a kick to the recipe. For this recipe, you can either use the vegetable stock cubes that are available in the supermarkets, or you can make your own at home. Adding the vegetable stock will not only give the soup a taste, but also will add essential micronutrients to your recipe. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.